Family, friends, welcome back to the channel. I've been asked about this, you know, because I love having a good steak. I really do. And you can get beef here. I got my personal butcher, but their steaks aren't as tender as what I would get in like an Angus. There is a couple restaurants where you can get Angus, okay? Angus meat shipped over here. But, you know, I saw a crazy way to tenderize your beef. First, let me show you the two steaks I got here. Okay, here's 2 fingers, okay? 2 gorgeous slices of beef. But like I said, the beef isn't as tender as it is in the US, but you see how big I got there. April always says I cook a roast and call it a steak. So guess what we're gonna do? It's crazy, I gotta see if it works. Mayonnaise. I'm gonna slather both these beauties right here in mayonnaise, and we're gonna stick it in the refrigerator for at least 3 days. Okay, I might go to the weekend. Then we're gonna pull it out, take off the mayonnaise and cook it. And see what these steaks are like. I know it sounds crazy. I've seen a couple videos, you know. So it's a cool experiment. We're gonna see how it goes. I love my steaks. Look at these 2. Oh. And I hear some of you saying you're gonna ruin it. It's not gonna ruin it, don't worry. So we're gonna slather it up with the natural mayonnaise, the real mayonnaise. I'm gonna throw it in the Ziploc bag. Then it goes in the fridge. All right, see you in a bit. All right, we're back. We got them all layered up there. Look at that. Loaded up. I know some of you are crying right now saying, what are you doing? Layered up with the mayonnaise. Yeah, I'm going to put more mayonnaise in the bag because a lot of it will slide off like April was telling me. And then we're going to seal it up, put it in the refrigerator for at least 3 days. And I was thinking, okay, this is what we're going to do. I'm not going to tell the kids, I'm not going to tell Jesse, you know, what it is that I'm going to invite them over to have a steak. And we'll do the taste test together, see what it is. As you can see behind me, we still haven't gotten the kitchen cabinets. It's been a little bit of a delay, but we're good to go. But anyways, try and do this experiment here, and who knows, maybe we'll start a channel saying, welcome back to Cooking with Patrick. Okay, we'll give it a try. Okay, but there it is. Covered in mayonnaise, 2 big, beautiful pieces of beef. Throw it in the refrigerator now. All right, take care, y'all. Let's see what happens when they're done. Okay, guys. 48, I should say 49 hours in this bag. Been marinated in mayonnaise. Okay. Now, there's several things that could go wrong. Okay, let me explain. It's really too thick to be a steak, but it's not big enough to be a roast. Okay? So like I said, being marinated. What I want to show you guys too. Check this out. See this cart we had built? It's on wheels so April can pull it out. And the reason being, this isn't good enough, you know, big enough surface to really do anything. You know, so she can just wheel this out right in front of it. We're going to get our cabinetry done. It's coming, like you guys know. Okay, so I'm going to put a good sear on this. Okay, let me hand this to our new camera person, April. My wife's been the camera person. See, it's perfect because she can turn, do up her chop stuff like that. So I'm going to work on a sear. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to put it in the oven because I don't know quite how to make it as far as it's going to be steak or roast, but I'm going to put a good sear on it. Then we're going to put it in the oven. When it's ready, I'm going to call the kids, get them over here. They don't know how we're doing the marinade. Now, I've seen the mayonnaise deal get done before. Okay, I've seen videos of it. Most people just put the mayonnaise real quick and plop it in the pan. No, we marinated it for 49 hours, okay? So we're going to see how this turns out. I'm going to get that sear on it. Pop her in the oven. Okay, wish me luck, you guys. All right, bye-bye. Okay, should I meet my love? Probably should have got it a little bit hotter, but we're going to try the sear. Hope this comes out great. Should be fun. It's a lot of fun. You know, sometimes we're not going to, you know, I love showing you all the different streets and baking information, stuff like that, but it's kind of rainy today. So every once in a while, we're just going to do a fun video. Angie agrees to it. Okay. Let me check the sear there. Can you see that, April, with the camera?
Not even close.
Okay. Did the camera see it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, well, just we'll leave it there.
Didn't see the underside part, but there's nothing to see.
All right. A little bit longer. Okay, take the camera, take a look at it.
Nope.
Nope. Okay. So it's taking a little bit longer, but I didn't get the oil hot enough. we got in there some ghee or some extra butter. I don't want to overpower it because I really want the mayonnaise to come through, whatever it's going to be like. Okay. We're searing the backside. You know what? You can speak, baby.
Leave it longer.
Leave it longer?
You want it brown.
Try it. So we're doing our best here. So if everyone's doing that, well, like I said, every once in a while I'm going to do an experiment with cooking. What we're going to do, I got a pork thing coming up too. Okay, it's going to be really interesting. Okay. April's trying to tell me no, not yet. Anything?
Couple more minutes. Getting there.
Taking a little longer to sear than what I wanted, so the pan wasn't quite hot enough. But see how it goes. Really, I just want the two sides done really well, but you really should sear all the sides if you can. April's the one that's a good cook. But I was a king of barbecue, I don't want to brag. My wife's grinning over here. Yeah, I'm going to go to the side now. There we go. Oh yeah, that's got a nice sear on it, isn't it? Do it to the camera now. There you go. All right, the pan's heating up good now, so we'll get that good sear. We'll flip it over, then I gotta do the other one. I wanted you guys to see the time there. Yeah, we can turn this off now. I'm gonna finish the sear and then we'll put it back in the stove. All right? Okay, they're out, they're done, they're just resting. That beautiful sear on her. Ooh. So what's gonna happen is, April's gonna cut them up. We're gonna plate them. Andrea's still over her place. Should be coming over here in a couple minutes. Then we'll do our taste test. She's gonna have to try to guess the marinade. After she tastes it, then I'll tell her what it is. All right, guys, wish us luck. Guys, April got it all cut up for us. We're here with Andrea. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Very good.
Glad to be here, thanks for the invite.
All right, moment of truth, guys. We've been doing videos leading up to this. As you know, she doesn't know yet. So we're gonna put some on the plate.
Do they know?
They know. Well, they don't know. Well, yeah, they're gonna know before you do. Okay, let's put some of these on our plate. Go ahead and grab some. Now, I will tell you, I did use oregano, some rosemary, and some salt and pepper, but I'm not gonna tell you what the marinade was.
Okay.
But I marinated this for 49 hours.
Whoa.
So
wow, that seems
2
really
days,
tender.
2 days, an hour. So you ready?
I'm ready.
Then I want you to try to guess what it was marinated.
Okay.
Hope it tastes okay. It smells good.
It's super tender. Oh, wow. Oh, it's amazing.
If you need more salt and pepper, try it there.
No, it's fine. I'm trying to figure out what the marinade was, though.
You're
I can
gonna...
taste a lot of rosemary.
Oh, this is good, guys.
All right. We're going to figure this out.
It's tender. It worked. It really tenderized it. And it's not a special cut of meat.
That's very tender.
Well, sarcasm.
I can't. I'm tasting tons of rosemary,
Okay.
which I love.
Okay, should we tell her? Should we tell her?
Whatever.
2 days and 1 hour in mayonnaise.
What?
I swear to you. I swear to you. You know, in a sealed bag in the refrigerator for 2 days and 1 hour.
That's not at all what I was expecting.
When I looked online at it, a lot of guys will put it on the steak and then go right to the grill. But I wanted to try it as a marinade, and it really tenderized. One guy said it turned out kind of sour to him, so I was a little scared, but no, it can't work.
There's no sourness to this at all.
It's 100%
really
real
good.
mayonnaise. But I didn't invent this or nothing. I don't want to come across like that. But I've never done it, so I'm going to try some interesting things. We always try to, we're showing you places, stuff like that. Every once in a while, we want to do something fun. Okay, so I wanted to surprise. It's good to honor.
I did not expect that at all. I was trying to figure out what it could possibly be before I even got here.
So hopefully, we're going to do a pork dish that I'm going to surprise her with. And we'll see how that goes. But this came out really good.
Be your food guinea pig.
We're going to call these sessions Welcome Back to Cooking with Patrick.
I don't think I've ever eaten on camera before. This is weird.
I'm
like thinking about every bite.
I got a lot of things in my mouth. But anyways, before I let you guys go, she's got something coming up cool. You're going to be doing some videos on the scooter, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So
With the GoPro.
Yeah. So Jesse is going to be hanging out with his friend this weekend, so we're not going to be hiking. So I'm going to strap the GoPro to my. I think I'm going to use a chest mount.
Right.
And then I'm going to take a ride from here towards Lynn. I don't know if I can make it that far.
I think you can on a full charge. I think you can.
Yeah.
And if not, maybe if you have to, take a cab back.
Yeah,
You know what I'm
yeah.
saying?
And then maybe just ride around the city and just kind of explore a little bit. It should be a lot of fun.
Oh, very good. So this will probably go up Saturday at midnight, so another basically 24 hours from now.
Okay.
And then I want you guys to look for that video of her on the scooter. Be safe for me, okay? It'll be exciting.
I'll wear my
Cool.
helmet.
There you go. So New Life Albania. Watch her on the scooter. Watch out, poker desk. Here she comes. Okay?
Yes.
Let me turn this off. Love you guys. Hey, thanks for doing this with us. It was a good experiment. Okay, we're gonna eat now.